Ella, friends. I made an 8-hour low and slow Potjienese, which is a bolognese in a Potjie pot. Here's how I did it. I'm going to start by chopping off my garlic. I like lots of garlic, so I'm just going to chop this all up. Now I'm going to just cut some celery. I do it the easy way and cut it all together. I'm going to start by making my fire for my Potjienese. So I'm just going to make a small fire at the bottom here, a little bit of charcoal, get things going. I'm going to start off by adding my oil and getting this nice and greased up. I'm going to start off by adding my onion. I'm cooking my onions nice and slowly, specifically because I've always been taught to make a Napolitana sauce, your onions need to be soft. So that's why I'm doing it like this. I'm going to add my chopped celery, I'm going to add my chopped carrots, and I'm going to add my chopped garlic. Let's get this all mixed up. This is traditionally called a mirepoix in French, and now that it's ready, I'm going to add my mince and brown my mince. Just going to add my mince. Just going to separate this mince. I've got my meat separator, which always comes in handy when I'm making bolognese. And I'm going to separate this meat. I'm going to add a little bit of salt while this is browning. Now that my mince is brown, I'm going to add a 2018 Ladybird red wine. I'm adding 3 tins of my favorite tomato. I'm just going to mix this all up. Now it's time to start with my flavoring. So I'm going to start off with white pepper, some salt, some oregano from Greece, and a bit of aromat. Give this a mix. I'm going to add some chicken stock because I love the saltiness that the stock gives, and it's going to be delicious. I'm going to close up my Potjienese and let this go for a few hours. I've taken the lid off so that I can reduce this liquid, and that's where the richness of the bolognese will be into the mince. For the last half an hour reducing, I'm just going to add a bit of honey just to take away the acidity of the tomato, and it should be good. Just going to stir this honey in, and then I can just sweeten the deal. I'm going to add my spaghetti and let this boil for 10 minutes. So to start plating, I'm going to add my spaghetti. And now I'm going to add my delicious bolognese sauce on top and then mix this in. Now I'm just going to mix this up. Okay. And lastly, some delicious Parmigiano Reggiano. Guys, this was an incredible experience for me. I've never made bolognese that took so long, and the Potjie pot I know is going to make it taste just that little bit different. So I'm really excited to taste it, and I'm going to taste it with you all now. Just give us a taste. Cheers, everybody. After cooking for so long, I am so excited to eat. This is so tasty. It's such a different taste. I don't know how to express it to you, how you should all try this at home. This is super delicious, and I'm so excited for the way it turned out. I hope you enjoyed the video, everybody. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think of this. Thanks for watching, and keep on cooking, you beautiful people.